Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Elden Ring stuttering problem. If you want to fix it, first click here and then type view advanced system settings, go to settings, adjust for best performance, click apply and OK. You can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just click OK and then close it. After that, click here again, go to graphics settings, turn on this option, go back and then go to background apps. Turn off all those applications that you will find here just by turning off this option, and then click now go to startup apps. After that, just turn off all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC, and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, go to GeForce Experience, and then you will need to find Elden Ring. When you find it, let's take GTA 5 as an example, and when you find it, click details and then go to custom settings. Go to custom settings. Now just wait, and now optimize for move it to performance just as you like, and then click apply, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Just launch it from GeForce Experience, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.